Good morning from Ensenada, Mexico. It's a beautiful 60 degrees out here this morning. We woke up and heard the rear end of the ship kind of chugging along, coming into port here. And we're all in and ready to go for the day. So join us. We're going to go and walk around down here and look around and see what this little port's got to offer. It's almost a sin to cut into something so beautiful, isn't it, babe?
It is. So pretty.
That's horrible. This is one of our favorite breakfasts, isn't it?
It is. And they make the eggs fresh on top.
I'm gonna try a little bit of this green chili salsa on there. Oh man, look at that. Look at that break. I love their huevos rancheros. Top notch, really good. Like I said, we're in Ensenada, Mexico today, and we're about to get off the ship. Woke up this morning, awesome morning. It was Tao Animal Day, so it's always a fun time to come up and see the Tao animals. We ate a little breakfast at Blue Iguana. Had huevos rancheros, really good, really solid. And now we're about to get off the ship and go explore around. It's the first time we've ever been here. When we get off, we're gonna come out onto this walkway down here. You go to the right and you go over to where all the buses are parked, and we're gonna do a walking tour and walk ourselves downtown. You get to those buses and then you take that walkway just back over here past the Ensenada sign. You see people kind of walking around that sign. And then we're gonna walk all the way down that walkway that you see. It kind of curves in and around and to the left right there. And once we get down to that corner, we're gonna turn left and go across that bridge. So here we go. And then once we turn left and go over the bridge, we'll come down to where the huge flagpole. It usually has a huge Mexican flag flying off of it. It's not there today. But you come to that area right there and you turn in and go into the city area right there. So that's where we're going. You can kind of see a whole lot of people going in right now. So how do you get off the ship on port day? Step 1, floor 1. Step 2, walk down to deck 0. Step 3, give them your card. Step 4, into the port. All right, here we go. This port is really clean.
Yeah, it's really neat with all the boats and everything. It's scenic, and so that's really nice.
First impressions. Mom, you first.
I like it. It's cute. It's clean. The streets are clean. It's real quaint looking, and
It's better than staying on the ship, right?
yeah, it's nice. It's a nice little walk.
I mean, there's literally a few things I saw that said, don't get off, stay on the ship. I disagree. Get off, walk around. One thing I will suggest is have a couple dollar bills with you. You're going to see those people that, you know, really need it. So bring a couple dollar bills with you. Be generous. Some really beautiful places to stop and enjoy the music also. Fish taco. You come highly recommended.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, please. Oh, that looks good. Which one you want to try, Mom?
I don't know. You choose.
I'm gonna go with this middle one.
Yeah, that looks good. Maybe on part of it. And well.
Do like that. We're going for it. good. Hot. That hot sauce is hot. We put the hot sauce on it. What do you think, babe? It's hot.
Yeah, the hot sauce. Whew. Man.
We put the habanero sauce on,
Whew.
and Mama needed to run and get a water over here to 7-Eleven. It's right across the street. Whatever you do, the middle sauce over there is the habanero sauce, and it is hot.
Yeah.
Right, babe?
Yeah.
Doesn't hit you at first, but when it hits you, you better have some water. Okay, look at her eyes.
Trying to recover.
Literally, I mean, when in Mexico, don't just take it for granted and just dump some sauce on and be like, I think we'll be okay. That was for real. My nose is running. Her eyes are watering.
Oh my gosh, my mouth.
That was hot. Wow. Nice to meet you, Jelena. I'm Bobby, and this is Joyce.
Okay, Joyce.
Nice to meet you. And we're looking at these. I had one of these when I was a kid. Okay, what do you think? To remember our fish taco that almost burned our lips off.
So hot.
All right, I'll do both of these. And she gives really good prices too, so come and visit her because she gave me a really good deal on both of these.
Here's
Okay.
and Miramar and
At first, okay.
this is number 624.
Number 624. So,
Julio Jollis.
so come and see her. She's an awesome lady. Gave us a great deal. Joyce and I were just laughing. We said we will never forget this taco stand. Here's a little tip. Don't wait for the elevators. Although there's nobody down here, there's usually 1,000 people waiting to get on these elevators. Find the stairs and go up the stairs. At least a couple levels anyways. This is what I ended up with for the day today. Baja hoodie. Just like the one I had when I was a kid. A t-shirt to remember our tacos from today. Boy, did we have some tacos. Can't forget the tacos. All right, well, thanks for staying around this long. Hopefully a few of you are actually still here watching. Like our channel, subscribe. Hope to see you on the next trip. See ya.